Morning, everyone. My name's Tim from FNGO, and this is your FNGO morning update. So, beautiful morning to wake up to. So, Bitcoin held last night above 70,000, which is great. So, we saw a nice little pump last night from yesterday afternoon from 2 o'clock or so. We saw a nice pump all the way up to, we hit about just under 71 last night. As I said, I think there was some resistance. Well, once we kind of clear 73, then I think we're flying. And what I mean by resistance is if we look here, we can see that there's a lot of resistance just to get past that 73 mark. Once we do get past that 73 mark, and if we don't have any major outflows today, then I think we're then on to 80, 82, which would be a lovely sight to see. However, it does depend if Grayscale are selling anymore. I did see yesterday that there was like 243 million transferred to Coinbase that they were looking to sell. So let's wait and see what happens. But yeah, lovely way to wake up to the morning. We've seen a nice rise from around the 62 mark all the way up to the 71 mark. So I think we're looking in a really healthy position. And look, this is when we hit our last time our all-time high, and then just dropped down. And look how quickly that got brought back up. And then yeah, we've had a slight downtrend here, but on the way back up over here. So super bullish on this. And then if we look at the overall crypto market, everything's up. Everything's following Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is up 5.3%. As of yesterday, Ethereum following at 5%. So these two are basically matching each other. And then if we start going down the list, I mean, everyone's following just a little bit behind. Normally, obviously, when Bitcoin is pumping, money is flowing into Bitcoin. And then as that kind of levels off, then money starts trickling down into all of the other coins. So when you start seeing Bitcoin level off, then there's a good opportunity to start looking about moving money into altcoins. And then start riding that wave of altcoins. Of course, not financial advice, but something that I look at. But yeah, I mean, most of the projects in single digit gains, apart from ICP, which is at $19, but it's crazy the ITP of where it is and the price of the token that it launched at. So, but that is conversation for another day. So yeah, look, crypto market is up. We're up overall as market cap 5.1%. Couple trending coins, Gala, Open Campus, Node AI. So yeah, we're in a nice place. And when we look at the sports, we're up again on the day, so 8.5%, which is beautiful. Largest gainers, Metacourt, 97%, Dot Moves, which is a move to earn, and Pummel, which is a move to earn, which is great to see. And then the trending apps, Flow, Chili's, Step App. I mean, I did mention Chili's the other day. Chili's are up, of the last three videos, they're up 20% in the last 7 days, 6.8%. I said they're ones to look out for, but the rest of the economy sports economy anyway, is doing well. So we're up at now above 4 billion. We're about 3.8 yesterday. Still trading volumes only at 224 million, and I know most of that's coming from Flow and Chili's, as I say every day. But Metacourt has had a nice pump, just under 100%. Market cap 213. I don't know too much about Metacourt, to be honest, but out of all sports, they've had a really nice run up. Wow, 358%. Let's see what they've got going on here. So interesting. So looks like they've got something with crypto.com, something with Hedera. So Yeah, I need to look into this a little bit more. Maybe I'll do a video on Metacore and what they're looking to do. But look, they've got some great backers, it seems. So yeah, I'll come back to Metacore. I'll do another video on Metacore, but they're up 89%. And then if we look at move to earn category, so as you know, here at Fango, we're all about move to earn. So play to earn, similar kind of concept as move to earn. Obviously, pay to earn is more gaming, whereas move to earn is very much more around the fitness side of things. So, and that kind of fits into your social fi narrative. So if we look at move to earn, where are we? Where are we? Here you go. Down 91. So total market cap 873. So it's up actually compared to where it was. I mean, look, green, 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 green across the board. So it's all good. GMT, which is Step app, which is actually the biggest. So they've got 183 million 24-hour trading volume, and then wow, we just dropped down. So GMT is very much the biggest, but you know what my problem with GMT is? It's when you look at their website, it immediately goes into join us today, make your steps count. Okay, this is fine, but then it goes Step Up is your lifestyle app that rewards users for movements equipped with NFTs. The step up entities can earn by walking, jogging, and running outdoors. I don't. Football sports fans don't like, and I mean this got nothing to do with football, but they don't like NFTs. They don't like that word. So we need to look at a different narrative for it. And then it just feels very crypto heavy. Like, what does this mean to your average sports person? Like 8.6 million burned, like 4.5 million. I know what that means. But to your average kind of fan or person that is into fitness, looking to earn while they do fitness, we need to really change that narrative. I always say this, but, and then we go to the tokenomics and like your average athlete or enthusiast around football doesn't really care about that. They've got some really cool backers though. Obviously super, super good backers. So look, it's a great project. I love the concept, but I just think they need to position it in a different way. That's my opinion. Um, and yeah, sweat economy is up 10%, step up 19% in 7 days, but nothing really amazing. Dot moves. These guys are a cool project as well. They're doing well in the last 24 hours, up 16.4%. So yeah, market's looking nice. Market's looking very nice. So then another project that I mentioned that I just want to talk about because I saw an article actually. This was brought to my attention by Sporting Crypto. But why Karate Combat is risking it all on karate. So Karate Combat is a new it's not new, it's actually a league that was bought out by these crypto guys. And it lets fans really bet on real matches with this no loss format. So if we look at their token price, they're up 4.3% on the day. I mean, they're nothing on the year, but they've got a really cool concept and it really does put fans in the heart of making these decisions. So it's got professional fighters, former UFC, crypto influencers facing off. It's been around since 2018, but it has been growing more and more attention. Obviously, you have BitBoy Crypto that recently obviously was a big influencer in the last bull run, slightly fallen off now, but faced off against the founder of a meme coin of Harry Potter, Obama, Sonic 10, Inu. And look, it's cool. You use crypto, you can bet, you can make decisions on it's a no loss project. And if this gains traction and this gets really popular and you can make those decisions, it's cool. And their betting concept is good as well. So, yeah, interesting that they had BitBoy. Obviously it grabbed attention. And they host them in really cool locations. It's built on Hedera. Um, I know the guys here actually. I think it's a really cool project. But it's a kind of fun project. I don't think they take themselves too seriously. And yeah, one for you guys to look into and have a little bit of a play with potentially. Another project that I came across is called Bundles Bets. They're apparently the first ever licensed Web3 prediction platform, and they, from what I understand, they have licenses in the US, where you can bet and predict on NFL, NBA, NBA. So predict, and then you earn tokens around this. So I think the Web3 betting side of things is massive. Um, but we've got to see. I mean, look, gambling is huge, and what states doing and stuff like that is just insane. So there's really a strong narrative around this, around gamble fi as well, and bundle bets. It's a team I know as well. Look, they have an interesting project for sure, and they are one of the first I know to actually have a gambling license over in America. So for sure they've got staking, and then they've got some pools coming as well. So look, guys, it's a project for you to be able to look in. If you look at their price, look at their market cap. I mean, $2.3 million market cap, and then they've got their liquidity 258. Their chart is doing okay, up 3.9%. I think they're doing pretty well, to be honest. They've been fairly consistent from where their launch is. They're up, which is always good to see on a positive trajectory. So if the team continue, they've had a bit of a downtrend recently, but that's probably following market trends. So yeah, if they continue with some of their great marketing partnerships that I hear they've got, then yeah, this could be one to watch. You've got their white paper on their website as well for you guys to have a look at. Um, and already gone in through karate combat, so no need to go into that. And then also I saw that there was an announcement about Juventus expanding its NFT offering with NFT Pro. I haven't really heard of anything about NFT Pro since the last bull run. This article seems a little bit old because then it starts talking about FTX and the resurgence of crypto and stuff like that. But I think what we're going to see, to be honest, is we're going to see more and more sports crypto projects coming into this space. We're going to look at more sports brands trying to engage in crypto again because they see the quick money. And we as a community and we as people, we need to have a voice around how we are going to position crypto to sports fans because look, we screwed it up last time. So we need to make sure that we try and engage sports fans in the right world. If we chuck that crypto narrative down their throat again, it's not going to work. But that's my opinion. Listen to me, don't listen to me. We are here just to bring you our thoughts at FNGO Labs. FNGO Labs is an all-in-one sports app that's launching in June. Check out our socials, check out our website, fangolabs.tech. Follow me on social media at Tim Mangnall. Follow at Fango Labs. Subscribe to the channel as well. And I'll be back tomorrow for another market update and some more content. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful day.